What's up everyone, TechBird is here. Last year Samsung didn't launch a Galaxy Note smartphone, but this year they are launching the true successor of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra next month. The company will reportedly offer an improved S Pen experience with the upcoming phone. Before proceeding this video, I want to announce that I am giving away Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you want to win that, then do subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. According to YouTuber Zaryab Khan from Z Tech Care, the Galaxy S22 Ultra offers an S Pen latency of just 2.8 ms. That is 3x lower than the S Pen latency of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. If this claim turns out to be true, the Galaxy S22 Ultra could offer a drawing and writing experience that is similar to a real-life pen. The Galaxy S22 Ultra was leaked several times over the past few weeks, revealing that it will come with a design that has squared off corners and a built-in S Pen slot. It closely resembles the Galaxy Note series smartphones, which could finally impress Galaxy Note fans. A few weeks ago, we had exclusively reported that the Samsung could unveil the Galaxy S22 in early February. Now a new report from the South Korea has confirmed the information and revealed the Galaxy S22 launch date and information about the upcoming smartphone's pre-order and release dates. According to Korean publication, Samsung will announce the Galaxy S22 on February 8, 2022. Moreover, the report also claims that Samsung's upcoming flagship phones will be available for pre-orders on February 9. The South Korean firm will reportedly start shipping pre-orders on February 21 and the devices will be available in stores from February 24. The Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus could be available in black, green, grey, light blue, rose gold and white. The Galaxy S22 Plus could also be available in violet color. The Galaxy S22 Ultra could be launched in black, dark red, green and white color variants. As far as the specifications are concerned, the Galaxy S22 will reportedly sport a 6-inch dynamic AMOLED display, while the Galaxy S22 Plus could have a 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED display. Both phones could have a Full HD Plus screen resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint reader. Interestingly, the screen of the Galaxy S22 Plus could go as bright as 1700 nits. Furthermore, the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are expected to feature a triple camera setup, featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. They could also feature a 10-megapixel selfie camera. As far as the batteries are concerned, the Galaxy S22 has a 3700 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S22 Plus could have a 4500 mAh battery. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is expected to have a 6.8-inch LTPO dynamic AMOLED display with a QHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It reportedly has a 32-megapixel selfie camera, a 108-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a two 10-megapixel telephoto cameras, 3x and 10x optical zoom. The Galaxy S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra will feature Exynos 2200 processor in some markets and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset in others. Furthermore, the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus could have 8 or 12 gigs of RAM and 128 and 256 gigs of storage. When we talk about the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Galaxy S22 Ultra could have a 8, 12 or 16 gigs of RAM and 128 or 256 gigs of storage. According to report, all three smartphones could have a stereo speakers, IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, fast wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, Samsung Desk and Samsung Pay. Galaxy S22 can go as high as 25-watt fast charging, while the S22 Plus and S22 Ultra could support up to 45-watt fast charging. Of course, let me know what do you think down in the comments and do consider subscribing for all the latest tech news. As always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.